Okay, so I'm a junior backend dev with 6 months working Python, should learn Python in depth or start learning Go? Honestly, my biggest answer to you is continue with Python in depth, but start peeking at Go. And the reason why I say this is I think if you had more experience and you come up to me like, hey, I've been doing Python for a couple of years, should I learn Go? If you're not doing data science or machine learning, I would absolutely tell you, yeah, you should probably start moving on to Golang. That's what I did. I started as a Python developer, but when I started going away from the data science, applied science world, I went deeper into just, core backend engineering, software engineering. Golang offered me much better opportunities and ways to learn programming. But if you're just 6 months in, Python is still a good language. Python is still a great language, and it still teaches you good concepts that I would say even a person at 6 months still needs to polish and shine. So my opinion here is go deeper into Python. Spend a few more months, do a few more projects, go do a few more advanced topics in Python, and make sure you are utilizing very Pythonic ways of using the language, because that's going to help you when you move on to Golang to identify very Go-esque patterns of how to use a language. And I always say that for everyone who's kind of writing any language is like adopt what the creators or what like the isms are of that programming language. So I think if you go in depth, that's going to help you identify that much easier.